Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another live stream. Hope you're doing well. It's been a while since since I've been live, and a lot has happened. A lot has happened, especially for Ethereum. So very happy to be here. We are gonna talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some altcoins, and of course the overall market cap. Want to start off with Bitcoin today. And I want to repeat the message that I had last time, saying that at this point, I don't believe a whole lot will happen. I've been uh, I've been saying that that we should go sideways at least for the next 1 month, maybe two, and we're halfway that. So right now we are getting into the real alt rally, and I believe Bitcoin will just range for a bit, have a growth spurt, and starts ranging again, just like it did in the last bull market. So no long positions right now, no shorts. Really don't have anything regarding futures wise for Bitcoin. It's really something that I'm trying to stay out in regards to day trading. Of course, I have my long term back. Everybody should have a stack of Bitcoin, and I'll just leave it at that. We are getting close to my final FIB target, by the way, which is 80,000. So, in short, I want to say that at 80,000, I will start to, sell some Bitcoin, some small portions of it at least. Don't mean to say that we will not get any higher, but I don't have any targets left after that. Now, Ethereum, very, very interesting. I'm going to pair it against Bitcoin first. Just want to show you what I've been drawing out. Been aiming for this head and shoulders here. Obviously, the first breakout was a fake out. Didn't really expect that. So the stops triggered, of course, to exit the position. We bottomed. And now we are actually doing the real breakouts. We both have a breakout on the logarithmic resistance, which was sitting at 0.45. Ethereum is currently sitting at 0.059. So, this rally is going well. Paired against Bitcoin, I do not believe that we will overtake the previous all-time highs. Reasons being that, this would mean that Ethereum is going to have a higher market cap than Bitcoin, which is mildly ridiculous if you ask me. I think Bitcoin will always be number one. So that brings us to Ethereum targets. And we have hit the first target. So congratulations, everyone. Very well done. Our positions played out well. If you want to sell some here, if you're on high leverage or anything, now might be the time. Obviously, I do not believe that this rally is done. As you can see, the daily is already forming a bull flag here. So we might actually shoot straight through this Fibonacci level up to the next target, which is at 4,800. I wouldn't be surprised myself. This rally has been very, very long in the making, and everything is now playing out exactly according to plan, which is really, really awesome, so to say. So yeah, 4,800, my next target. Sell some if you're on high leverage, just to cover your costs. Don't we want to get wrecked if something happens? And other than that, we can let this run. This is one of my biggest positions, also in the sheet, in our member sheet, I should say. Ethereum has been one of our biggest positions for a couple of weeks now, and with good reason. So yeah, this is definitely a winner, a runner. Don't sell too much here. At least that's what I'm doing. So now that we've covered the two biggest coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, I want to look at the total alt market cap. As predicted, when we broke off the ascending wedge, we had a really good rally. We had a retest of the 1618 Fibonacci levels, and this is really interesting because you have to keep in mind these levels were drawn out months ago. I did not change a damn thing, and it's working so well. And that is also one of the reasons why I just love Mr. Fibonacci for figuring this whole thing out and giving us a way to, to decide on our targets. Now, the total market cap should be heading towards 1.62 trillion. We will definitely get there. Some coins will perform better than others, but we are going to stick to our plan. I do not have another dump or retest or just continue straight up. Really, really positive news. If we pair that with the Bitcoin dominance, you can see that the Bitcoin dominance is absolutely tanking. I was a little bit concerned about this support that we have going on here. Obviously, this has been a major point of interest in the past. But no, we nothing happened. We didn't bounce. We bursted straight through. So according to dominance, I think we will sink right back to 35% again. So we have quite a way to go. I don't know how fast it will go. Hopefully this will last for a couple months. But as soon as we hit these levels, 35%, I will be thinking about selling alts. For now, absolutely fantastic. Litecoin, something else that I really appreciate right now. As you can see, we are currently at 350. A couple days ago, we were sitting at 250, so that is almost a 33% gain. Now, if I put this in the log scale, and I just want to pair it against USD for now. If I put this in the log scale, you know, our official initial entry was right when we broke out of this wedge, 61. The members actually made a really good profit there. Also, guys, make sure to jump on our Discord. You can go there by going to crypto/campus.com. Just in between and click join Discord, and you will be able to see positions like this. Talk to the community, have a lot of fun. You know, we're just a chill group. Make sure to head there, come check us out, because that is where you will find positions such as these. Official entry 66 bucks, currently at 350, and well on our way to the first target of 680 bucks. And that should give us, if I'm not mistaken, a very clean 10x, give or take a few percent. You know, like 960%, definitely a big win there. We are about the all-time high for Litecoin, so you know, anything can happen. We are about to absolutely blast the sun out of the sky with this one. Paired against Bitcoin, you can see that we've been in this wedge for quite a while. We now broke out, so this definitely looks good as well. And you know, all these factors, all these factors on Litecoin make it so that this is currently one of my biggest bags. This is definitely going to be a top gainer. We have years of accumulation, and I mean literal years. This time period is 791 days. A very good entry. And you know, this should probably keep us going for the next couple of weeks. No reason to exit, no reason to do anything about this. Just let it run, get rich while you're sleeping, you know, and buy Lambos, so to say. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, and then it's time to go again. Let us take a look at Zcash. There we go. This is the logarithmic scale, so I've activated by clicking right here. We have a tremendously long resistance going on here. Maybe I should make this a channel just for visibility purposes. Let us take a parallel channel. Gonna map this out right there. Oh. This is really weird. Okay, apparently it's not really working. It's fine. I think I broke the chart. But anyway, we are currently breaking out of this channel. This channel has been in the making for about 3 years, folks. 3 years. So, you know, this is very likely to be a big runner. Now, of course, I hear you ask, what could the targets be for ZEC? And I'm just going to list one target. Might possibly go higher, but I will be very satisfied if it bumps up to 0.015. We want to play this relatively safe. Zcash is a very, you know, weird, so to say, coin in a way that there are very few parties who are controlling the majority of this asset, and you can see it right here in the on-balance volume. Very big jumps, very big declines, stuff like this, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. This really concerns me, so I will play it safe, 0.015, and then I'll exit again. Now, finally, I want to talk about Coti. Still finding its way up. This is taking a whole lot longer than I expected. In all honesty, I expected this to blast the sun out of the sky right after we broke the all-time high here. Unfortunately, this was not the case. I would like to note that I'm still holding on. I'm definitely not planning to sell this position anytime soon. Now, obviously, I have no clue right now how long this is going to take. But I do know I want to be in this rally when it happens. Okay, so if you're a day trader, this might not be for you at this very moment. If you're more of a hodler type, swing trader kind of guy or girl, then this is absolutely something you should have in your portfolio. So yeah, that is it for now. Once again, come join our community. Link is in the description. We're a very fun bunch, always something going on. And I will see you guys then on Discord. I wish you all a very great day and happy trading.